Hello and welcome back to FAFO Fridays with Ballistic Machinist. And this week, we got some diabetic shotgun shells. We're going to shoot candy out of a shotgun. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, so like I said, this week we are shooting candy out of a 12 gauge. First, we're going to shoot the cardboard down here just to see what happens, to see if they even come out as a solid piece or in the pieces. But we're going to start out with milk duds on top, and then below that we got mini M&Ms, and then we have Skittles. So let's see how they fly. All right, now let's see how they fly. All right, so we fixed the jam. We did the milk duds. This one's going to be the mini M&Ms. Let's see how it does. All right, so now we're going to be going into the buckshot with the Skittles. That one seemed to work pretty good. Let's go check it out. All right, well, here we are down at the target. And this and this were from the milk duds. That one's probably the wad. Seems how those were soft. I had those loaded pretty light. This one was from our mini M&Ms, which I had in a wad. So I feel like we might need to be a little farther away so they actually have time to come out of the shot cup. And then the rest of this is all Skittles. Like, there's the inside of some Skittles. This one right here, that actually is a piece of milk dud that came flying off and hit the cardboard right there. But the Skittles did pretty good, and I had the Skittles and the M&Ms loaded hotter. So let's see what we can do with them. All right, so we got some milk duds, and a little known fact, llamas love milk duds. So let's feed the llama. Ah, it got jammed. It got jammed again. All right, now let's feed the llama. All right, let's go see where we hit it. All right, so we fed the llama, and I center punched the llama. Hit it right there with a milk dud. Say bye, Mr. Llama. Let's try something else. So this time, we got our mini M&Ms, and we got Bambi the bondage butterfly over there, and butterflies, it's a little known fact, like mini M&Ms. So let's feed that one. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're down here at our butterfly, and we got a double gaper. We got the whole back of it blown out here, and we got a through and through with an exit over here. Yep, there's the exit. So the buckshot from mini M&Ms, pretty effective on butterflies.
If you look behind me now, you'll see the beautiful North American unicorn in its natural habitat on a wonderful summer's day, scavenging amongst the greens. The light winds lure it out of its hiding this time of year for the warm, bountiful harvest of its favorite food, the Skittle.
Taste the rainbow, motherfucker! Well, here we are down at the unicorn, and we got some separation of the Skittles. We got one here. It took one in the butt. We got some up in here. And I'd say that Skittles have made the North American unicorn fat, and it shouldn't eat them. But I hope you enjoyed this funny video, and we'll have another one next week.